During the session, East Shillong MLA Amapeen Lyngdoh displayed a jar of murky water along with pictures, which is being supplied by the PHE. The Congress MLA informed the House that she had collected the water from her residence this morning. The PHE Minister Renikton Tongkhar, in his reply, said that the government is trying to resolve the water issue, and one solution may be to expand the pipeline size to 1,000 mm dia in order to cater to the increasing demand for water in Shillong. He also said that the water supply in Shillong was briefly stopped as the water that flowed to the reservoir through the newly commissioned gravity main 1,000 mm dia pipes was of substandard quality and not safe for human consumption. Meanwhile, in reply to Congress MLA from Maulai Piti Saukwe's query, Tongkhar said that the projected completion of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 is expected within the ongoing financial year.
Sir, I will show you my water. Water coming to your house in Upland Road, my house in Lomsora. This is the kind of water. So, sir, I believe that if we don't die from COVID, we may die from cholera. May I ask why is this a normal quality of water for the last 2 years? Any logical explanation, sir, please?
Sir, I do not know, Honorable Member, when she has collected this water on his bottle. And
This morning, sir. This morning.
You see, as you have seen in the papers, that the department has given public notice that the department has tested the new pipeline of 1,000 mm dia. And it is the fact that because this pipeline has been laid for long time ago, so the pipe has collected soil inside the pipe, and when the water has been tested through this pipe, it is true that the water turbid is there. So maybe of that reason, and the department is trying, sir, because we cannot just leave on use of this bigger pipe which will ensure more quantity of water supply. So if I would request the citizen of the state to bear with the department for some time, because we will have to try it again through this bigger pipe of 1,000 mm dia, because we need more quantity of water in the city. So if this problem is arise for some time, I would request Honorable Member and all the people in the city to bear with the department for some time.
Honorable Speaker, sir, if the pipe to my residence has been laid for many years, I built my house in 2003, so I'll not get into that. But look at the water in the reservoir, sir. This was a photograph that was clicked soon after the commissioning of the gravity main 100 mm dia pipe. Sir, I will send you these photos. What is this explanation then? Any explanation for this?
Madam, I have, sir, I have already explained that due to the testing of this 1,000 mm dia pipe, so the water would go to the reservoir, and from the reservoir, definitely it will go to the people, to the individual houses. So the only thing is that, as I already stated, that I would request once again to bear for some time, and I hope that after the testing again, we hope that the water will be more clear, since we have tested 2-3 times of this pipe, and we hope it will be clear gradually.
So, may I know from Honorable Minister, what measure the department will take up to solve the grievances of the water scarcity in the city of Shillong, sir?
I have already stated, sir, the department is taking up one step after another to ensure that we give better quality water as well as better quantity of water to the people of Shillong, sir. That I have already stated, sir.
Sir, may I request Honorable Minister, I think you have to again have to correct about the reply on number D. The department is supplying adequate water to the residents of Shillong city daily, and there is no acute water crisis. While I done my question, I said what measures, but he said that department is trying from time to time. But I would like sir to bring the knowledge of the House, even the minister, that there is a huge scarcity of water in the whole of the city of Shillong, sir.
Sir, I think the misunderstanding here is about acute and adequate. So we have stated that from the department we have supplied adequate water, which means, of course, not surplus, not too less also, but just adequate.